Dear friends, today I came in front of you with a wonderful online business idea that is private label products. Let's suppose you are sourcing your products like toys, bottles, and mugs, and then you brand them with your own logo and sell them on eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. This is a wonderful idea in developed countries like UK, Australia, USA, China, Canada. A large number of people are doing this business successfully. I always appreciate the people who must pay attention towards this sort of business idea and they act according to the given instructions. And if you people pay towards private label products, you must can get a wonderful, a fruitful outcomes by it. It can be more than your expectations, better for you. Okay, you should must adopt this idea. You should must pay attention towards it, and it can be reason of your success in online business. Thank you.